Samsung phones make it simple to organize your apps into folders, but you can also take them back out whenever you want. If you're rearranging your home screen or cleaning up the app drawer, removing an app from a folder only takes a few seconds and won't affect the app itself. For a folder on the home screen, tap the folder to view its contents. Find the app you want to remove, then press and hold its icon. A small menu will pop up with several options. Choose Remove, and the app will immediately be taken out of the folder and placed on your home screen as an individual icon. The app stays installed and all your settings, files, and login information remain exactly as they were. If the app is stored inside a folder in the app drawer, the process is slightly different. Open the app drawer and enter the folder that contains the app. Press and hold the app icon until it becomes movable. Drag it outside the folder and move it to an empty area in the app drawer. Release your finger and the app will be removed from the folder and returned to the main app list. This feature is especially helpful when you no longer want certain apps grouped together or when you need faster access to frequently used apps. You can organize your phone any way you like by moving apps between folders, creating new folders, or leaving important apps outside folders for one-tap access. After making your changes, take a quick look at your home screen or app drawer to confirm everything is arranged the way you want. If needed, you can always repeat the same steps to move more apps or create a layout that better matches your daily use. Done. Your Samsung folder has been updated and the selected app is now outside the folder, making it easier to find and launch whenever you need it.